Hi guys, I know you've been wondering how do they come about this lace trim on nude nets. Okay, so it's very simple. All you need is a soldering iron. You can actually use scissors for it, but it is better when you use a soldering iron. Let me tell you why it is better. When you make use of scissors on laces to cut out the trim, what happens is that you have some pullouts. Okay, it's not neatly done because you still have the net still on the lace material, and you don't want that. What soldering iron will do for you is that it's going to cut out and it's going to burn it. Okay, so you make sure you on it and it's very hot. You can see the steam coming out from it. It's so hot, so you avoid the metal part. This is how it comes. It's about 2,000 naira in Nigeria market, plus or minus depending on your location, but make sure you avoid the metal part. Please only touch the place I'm holding, where the black is it plastic or rubber, whatever is. So what you need to do is that once it is hot, you place it on it. You can use this for your wedding dresses, for your ankara. It works exactly the same way. So you cut out it is that easy. Okay, yes, it is very very easy, but make sure your hand does not have contact with the metal part. Please, I love you so much and I don't want you to injure yourself. Okay, so do it gently. Soldering iron will help you because you can easily go even into the deeper space of the lace trim. By the time you place it on a nude material, or maybe on your velvet or whatever, it's going to be perfect, like the fabric came in like that. You get to see that as we go. So you cut it out easily. Look at all these dresses on the side, they were made like this. Okay, the fabric didn't come like that. You cut out lace trim and put it on net or whatever fabric to make it beautiful. So now I am done doing this and I'm going to separate the material from, the trim from the old material. You can see that. So I can place this on any other material. For instance, let me just make use of this velvet. Oh, it's so beautiful. Can you see? So you just place it, any gum, it's fine, any gum whatsoever. If you like, you can use needle and thread. If you like, just make sure you have a perfect and neat finishing. That is all that matters. The result is the cocoa hair. So in case you want to use maybe a net, nude whatever net, just place it on it. Use your gum as well, gum glue, whatever gum you can think of. Just make sure it is neat here. That's important. That's why I'm laying emphasis on that. So it's okay for your dresses, necklines, anywhere, your sleeve, anywhere, and that's how to go about it. So like, follow, and share for more free tutorial, more updates on fashion industry. I remain Tolex Afrique. I love you all. Bye. Don't forget to tag a friend. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. So I also use this for this ashoke for my brides. Lace trim on ashoke is always a banger. So now you know the secret. Go and create your design and share with me. Bye.